Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
The Space Bridge is a timed orbital jump event that appears in classic maps. It creates a temporary extraction point with bright lights and a humming sound. You will see a glowing pillar and hear a siren 30 seconds before arrival. The bridge spawns near named locations within 250 to 500 meters of the map center. Teams use it to flank or escape during mid to late game phases. Watch for a 60-second countdown and red smoke signaling safe extraction timing. Check the mini-map for a pulsating red icon when the event is active. That icon appears as a circular marker with a countdown timer displayed. Approach the glowing pillar from cover within 100 to 150 meters to avoid exposure to enemy fire. Use a drone or glide path to scout along 250-meter lanes before committing. Communicate with your squad and assign one member to watch the rear. Prioritize suppressive fire rather than solo runs to the bridge during high traffic. Wait for the 30-second window to board with teammates to increase survival odds. Boarding as a group lowers your chance of being picked off by snipers. Use smoke or shield items for 10 to 15 seconds of visual cover during boarding moments. Prioritize one armored teammate to enter first and revive others within 20 seconds if anyone falls. If contested, bait enemies with a decoy, then flank from a 90-degree angle. After extraction, immediately reposition 200 to 300 meters to avoid return ambushes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.